conduct competency assessment. Now, I'm Asa Sisukam, your TESDA assessor for today. But before we proceed, may I call Ms. Pascablo?
Present na.
Thank you. Mr. C?
Present.
Now, may I have your admission slip? Do you have admission slip?
Yes po.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, let's proceed to our attendance. Please sign in this attendance sheet. So far, wala naman tayong absent for today. So let's proceed to overview. Our qualification is all about electrical installation, maintenance, NC2, or EIM NC2. Our units of competency is basic, common, core, and competency. So before we proceed, may know if you have a knowledge about, so this is a self-assessment guide. Fill out if you have a idea and kindly check if yes and kindly check if no. These are our units of competency list, basic, common, and core. So can you read? The purpose of our assessment is to give you a certificate on electrical installation maintenance, na kung saan mabuboost yung skills nyo and knowledge nyo when it comes to electrical. And we have evidence, which is demonstration, observing, and lahat yon is magagawa natin in assessment. So, welcome to Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, or TESDA. This is our allowable adjustments. Translating instruction or using oral explanations for candidates with limited language or proficiency. Sino ba dito ang sanay na magsalita ng Tagalog para makapag-adjust tayo? Yes, po, Ms.
Nasanay po kasi ako sa Tagalog po na instruction.
Okay, so mag-adjust tayo for that language. So these are the safety. Safety is important during the demonstration or the assessment. So we have a 5 safety. Can you read and analyze? And we have a do's and don'ts. So these are the do's. Can you read? And these are our don'ts. So, what is competency assessment agreement? So before we proceed, do you have any questions or regarding to our safety and don'ts during our assessment?
That's so far po.
Okay, so let's proceed. What is competency assessment agreement sheet? So I have here a competency assessment agreement sheet na kalagay dyan kung ano yung needs natin na gawin or mga competency na kailangan natin gawin as your candidates. Kindly check. If you have any questions, kindly ask me for clarifications. So, let's proceed. These are our TESDA floor plan. So, ito yung floor plan na nagpapakita yung mga area natin during our assessment. This is our, like, in this station, dito tayo is nasa contextual learning, laboratory, area, which is ito yung contextual learning laboratory. So, candidates, please follow me to tour sa mga areas na meron tayo dito sa TESDA. Please. So, we're here in practical work area. Dito natin magaganap yung assessment or demonstration natin about installing switches or fixtures. So, dito, ito yung example electrical installation. So, if you have a questions or anything, just ask me para clarify natin. And you have a 10 minutes to demonstrate. Thank you. Please, go ahead. Of your work. So I have one question for you. So, what do you think? Importante ba na mayroong switches sa loob ng bahay?
Para sa akin po, opo, kasi sila po yung mag-control sa ating lightning layout. Sila rin po yung responsible na para hindi po mag-short circuit ka ng layout or connection.
Okay, thank you. Please wait. Thank you. So I'm done for observation to your work. So I have a question. So do you think switches and fixtures are important to our household?
Yes po, ma'am. Kasi sila po yung control po ng life sa house.
Very good. So let's proceed to contextual learning area. Please. proceed to judgment or evidence to your work, so let's think about this. Test the rules of evidence. We have authentic, valid, current, and consistent, recent, and sufficient. So dapat, so work nyo is consistent siya, sufficient, and valid. Now, let's proceed to feedback and result communication. So, may I call Ms. Buscablo to proceed to institutional work rate. Hello. How are you, Ms. Buscablo?
Okay na namin. Medyo nahirapan na po sa amin.
Pero okay ka. Yung wala ka naman, hindi ka naman nakuryente sa nagawa mong practical.
Hindi naman po.
So, sad to say, well, okay naman na safe ka, but sad to say, you're not competent for that competency. So, I advise you to retake or reassess again the competency para mas madami pa yung knowledge mo or yung safety mo when it comes to practical. So, congratulations.
Thank you po, ma'am.
So, Mr. C, let's proceed to institutional assessment for your feedback. So, how are you, Mr. C?
Okay naman ma'am.
So, ano yung naging experience mo while doing your class?
Ano ma'am, medyo nahirapan lang ma'am, pero kaya naman po. Pinag-uusap.
So, nakita ko naman na naging maayos yung naging assessment mo during our demonstration. So, I congratulate you to competent to our competency. So, pwede ka na mag-proceed sa other competency para mas dumami pa yung knowledge mo. So, congratulate, and this is your certificate for completion. Thank you. Now, go back to your concepts volume. So we're done to our practical work or sa demonstration na ginawa natin. So i-endorse ko na kayo sa our AC manager, which is Miss Pacaldo. So candidates, please follow me to go with Miss Pacaldo. Good afternoon, ma'am. Here's the candidate of competency of EIN NC2. So, Ms. Buscablo, Mr. C. So, Ms. Buscablo is, sad to say, she is not yet competent. But, she, mag-reassessment pa siya or ulitin niya yung competency para maka-rank siya or maka-proceed pa siya sa susunod na competency. But, Mr. C is competent. So, siya yung pumasa sa competency na ginawa namin. So, here's the textbooks or text package na nagsasabi na sila yung na-assess dun sa competency. So, here's them and this is other books. That's evidence.
So, I congratulate you, the two of you, and I will recommend you to my to the note of outside the industry. Once again, congratulations and good luck to the next assessment. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay po.
Thank you po.
Let's proceed. So, dito na nagtatapos ang our competency. Congratulations to both of you and give your best next time. Thanks!
Thank you, ma'am.